Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix the Modern Warfare 3 lobby not found error. I will show you guys the 3 effective solutions that will definitely fix your problem, so let's get started. First go to the Windows side, tap at the proxy settings and open it. And guys, here you will see the automatically detect settings. You just need to turn it off and also off the manual proxy setup. You also need to make sure that you are not using any kind of VPN. Then go to the Windows setup with the ncpo.cpl and this setting will show on the top. Just simply open it. Here you will see your Wi-Fi or your Ethernet. Simply right click on your connection and go to its properties. Now here in the Wi-Fi properties, you just need to scroll down and you will see the Internet Protocol version 6. You just need to uncheck this. If this is checked, then you can uncheck this. This is very important. Then highlight the Internet Protocol version 4, go to the properties, then click on the use the following DNS server and in the preferred DNS type the 8888 and in the alternate type the 8844. And guys, this is the best Google DNS server. And then click on the OK, then click on the close, then also close this. If your problem is still not fixed, then you can apply the third solution. Go to the Windows tab with the CMD and run as admin. And once it was open, here you just need to type the command, which is the ipconfig and space and / and then flush DNS. This is very effective command, guys. Once you type it, just hit the enter and then you can type the command, which is the netsh and space and winsock and then space and reset. And guys, once you type it, just hit the enter. Then you just need to restart your PC. After the restart, your problem is definitely fixed. You can launch the game and your problem is fixed. So guys, these are the steps to fix this problem. And if your problem is fixed, please don't forget to like this video because this is only motivation for me. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.